Hello, children. Yes, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good and you're completing your homeworks day by day. Yes, be a good child, complete your homeworks day by day, okay? Go through these links also, which we are sending, so that you can get an idea over the lessons, what we are teaching, okay? Yes, so today we'll learn about the lesson the monkeys go fasting, okay? In the previous in the previous classes we have finished the pancake lessons, grammar also, grammar part. We have adjectives, very important adjectives. So no, what are adjectives? What are adjectives, children? Don't know. The words which describes the person, place, things, etc. Yes, they are called describing words, and that describing words are called adjectives. We already completed bits about that adjective, related to adjectives also. See here, and adjectives we have different types. Here, number, describing what's talk about. See, color, number, material, quality, size, feel. Yes or no? Yes. So now we'll go for the lesson. The monkeys go fasting. Okay. What is the lesson name? Page number 28. The monkeys go fasting. The monkeys go fasting. Page number 28. Open it quickly. Now see, the monkeys go fasting. Tell me, what is fasting actually? What is fasting, children? What is fasting? Fasting in the sense to stop eating for some period of time. What? Yes, to stop eating for some period of time. So fasting in the sense what? Upavasam. We all know it very well because in our homes our mammas, grandmothers, they all fast. Yes or no? Yes, they fast on some particular days of the week. Like Monday, somebody fast on Monday. Some people fast on Thursday, Friday. Yes or no? Yes. Why they fast? Why people fast, children? Yes, in our areas it is like a religious belief. Yes or no? Religious belief in the sense if they fast on that days, they pray to some kind of gods, and they believe that some positive things happens to them or in their houses. Yes or no? నేను ఉపవాసం ఉంటే నా ఇంటికి మంచిది, some in that way they think in that way and they go for fasting. Yes or no? Yes. So we got an idea about fasting, right? What is fasting? Not to eat, to stop eating for some period of time. Some people don't eat anything for the whole day. Few people eat some fruits on the day. On Shivaratris mainly. Shivaratri is, right? Shivaratri is the festival. All people fast on that day, right? All, young, married, unmarried, old, everyone fast on that day, right? Yes. That day they go for fasting on that day. I seriously don't know about that because so they fast on that day. On that day people only eat fruits, I think so. Yes or no? Yes, we get a holiday on that day, I think so, every year, and people eat only fruits on that day. It is also some other kind of fasting where people eat only fruits on that day. They eat fruits and after and in the evenings or at night they eat food. Means on regular days they eat 3 times of food. Yes or no? But on fasting days they eat only once. That is either maybe morning or afternoon or evening. Their wish. It is their wish. Okay, there are different kinds of fastings. Now you got an idea what is fasting, right? Yeah. So here, what is the lesson name? The monkeys go fasting. So here we have monkeys. We have few monkeys here. See. So they are going to fast. monkeys go fasting. So how they are going to fast, how they ended it up, we'll see in this lesson, right? Yes, see here. Children, put your finger on the line what I'm saying, okay? A group of monkeys decided to go on a fast one day. What it is? A group of monkeys. Group in the sense two or three or more monkeys staying together. It is a group, right? Now a group of children. In the sense there will be some three or more students. In the same way, a group of monkeys, in the sense, how many monkeys are there here? See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 or 9, like. A group of monkeys decided to go on fasting. So these monkeys wanted to fast on a fine day. Before we begin, I think we should keep the food ready with which we will break the fast, said the monkey chief. Okay, who is monkey chief here? So now in every class there will be a leader, right? There is a leader in every class. We call that person as leader. So here the head of the monkeys, the head of the monkey is called as chief. Okay, the head of the monkeys, the head of this all monkeys, in a sense it is this monkey. Okay, this monkey. So what this monkey is saying, before we begin our fast, we will keep our food ready to eat when we break the fast. In the sense, they are not at all starting the fast, but he is thinking about the food which they want to eat after they break the fast. Okay, ఫాస్టింగే చేస్తలేరు, ఇంకా ముందే వాళ్ళు తినటానికి కూడా ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. దే ఆర్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఫుడ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ బిఫోర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ది ఫాస్టింగ్. See here, the monkeys agreed when the chief said to bring the food which we eat after we break the fast. So the other monkeys agreed to the chief. The youngsters were sent in search of food. You know who are youngsters? Youngsters in the sense young ones. Okay, you are kids. Youngsters in middle age. Youngsters, young monkeys. Okay, they sent young monkeys to search the food. They returned with huge bunches of delicious looking bananas. Yes, mostly monkeys like bananas, right? So the youngsters were sent to find the food. So they returned with bunches of bananas. Bunches, see this, these are bunches of bananas. Okay, bunches of bananas. They brought bunches of bananas which are looking very delicious. Okay, next, I think each of us should keep our share of bananas with us before we begin our fast. Again, what the chief is saying, I think first what they thought, before we begin the fast we have to bring the food. Yes or no? So they sent youngsters and they bought the fruit. Now again, instead of starting the fasting, what they are doing, again they are thinking of sharing the food. What he is saying, I think each of us should keep our share of bananas with us before we begin our fast. What he is saying, before we begin our fast, we have to share the food from the bunches of bananas they brought. What he is saying, we have to share bananas before we start the fast, so that we don't spend time distributing them after we break our fast. You can imagine how hungry we will be by then, said the chief's wife. Now what chief's wife is saying, first chief's wife said to bring food. Then what chief's wife is saying, after we break the fast we will be in hungry. So now we feel so hungry, so why don't we share our food now itself? So who said that? What chief's wife said that. Okay, then the monkeys liked the idea and they collected their share of bananas. So before fasting itself, they started sharing food and they were talking about the food. So now they shared the food. Why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready to eat, said one of the youngsters. Now again, instead of starting the fast, again what they are doing, one youngster is saying that why don't we peel one banana and keep ready to eat. Peel in the sense banana తోలు తీయడం అన్నమాట. Okay, What that youngster is saying, why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready for eat? They are not at all starting the fast, but they are talking about only food. In the sense, they don't want to fast, I think so. So first chief said to bring food before fast itself. Then the chief's wife said to share the food. Then they shared the food. Then one youngster is saying to peel the banana. Yes, let's do that. Agreed. A fat monkey. Now, one of the fat monkey, what is he saying? Yes, we'll peel one banana and we'll keep it ready to eat. Just to look at the bananas made him hungry. Yes, he saw bananas and yes, he felt hungry. Yes or no, children? If we see some delicious food, what happens? Our mouth starts watering, right? నోరు ఊరుతుందా ఏదైనా మంచి ఫుడ్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు. ఎస్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ ఫాస్ట్, ఇఫ్ యూ సీ సమ్ ఫుడ్, ఆబ్వియస్లీ యూ విల్ టెంప్ట్ టు ఈట్ దట్ ఫుడ్. సో హియర్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ స్టార్టింగ్ ద ఫాస్టింగ్, బట్ దే ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఓన్లీ ఫుడ్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ if you feel hungry, right, in that time? So now you come to school in the morning. If you feel hungry, you will wait for the lunch bell. Yes or no? After the lunch bell rings, you immediately rush to eat. Yes or no? Yes. So what they are doing, they wanted to fast, but they're not fasting. They're not starting their fast. They always wanting to think about the food. Okay, so what they did, they peeled one banana and they kept ready. Okay, they kept it ready to eat. All right, said the monkey chief. Monkey chief was also agreeing for that. We shall peel the bananas, but under no condition should we eat them. Now what this monkey chief is saying, okay, we will peel that banana, but we should not eat it. Okay, under any condition we should not eat them. So the monkeys peeled their bananas and carefully kept them ready for eating in the evening. See, they wanted to fast. If someone fasts, what they do, they will not think about food items. Yes or no? Because you should not eat all day. If you think about food items, you get tempted and you feel hungry. But here these monkeys are always thinking about food, and one of the monkey felt hungry also by seeing that bananas. So what this chief said the other monkeys, he said to peel the banana and shall keep it ready for eating in the evening purpose. Next, can I keep the banana in my mouth? I promise not to eat it till evening. Please, a little monkey asked its father. So here a little monkey, what he is asking, see, we peeled the banana, right? So I will put it in my mouth and I promise I will not eat till the evening. How can one not eat that banana till the evening if you put in the mouth? Yes or no? Now you see, if you wanted to eat something, you have chocolates. If you put in your mouth, what happens? The mouth starts watering. Yes or no? You will have a feel to eat it or to swallow it. Yes or no? How can one put it in the mouth for till the evening? No one can put that. Yes or no? మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఒక చాక్లెట్ నోట్లో పెట్టుకొని ఈవినింగ్ దాకా మీరు ఉంటారా? No, you'll eat it. Yes or no? You'll feel hungry and you'll feel that taste in your mouth. Your mouth starts watering, నోరు ఊరుతుంది, then you will eat. But here this small monkey is asking his father that it wants to put that banana in his mouth and he will not eat till evening. Is it possible, children? No, it is not possible. If you keep something in your food, you will immediately swallow it or you'll eat it, because it is the nature. You feel hungry, you feel that taste in your mouth, and you feel your mouth feels watering, and you'll eat it. So what he's saying, why don't we all put a banana in our mouth? And one of the monkey is saying that, why don't we all put a banana in our mouth? That way we can chew it immediately when we break the fast, said his father, adding, as long as we don't eat it, it should be fine. Now what that father is telling, one of the monkey, who is a father of small monkey, what he's saying, okay, why don't we all put banana in our mouth and we will not chew it. Chewing ante namaladam, okay? సో మనం ఫాస్టింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మనకి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది నమ్మలనికి అంట. దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ స్టార్టెడ్ ది ఫాస్ట్. They're talking about eating. Yes or no? Fast in the sense you should not touch food, you should not eat food. But what they are doing, they wanted to put bananas in their mouth. Is it a fasting? No, it is not any type of fasting. Okay. Now what they are doing? So the monkeys put the bananas in their mouth. Oh, so all the monkeys put bananas in their mouth. Now will we call it as a fast? No, it is not fasting. Yes or no? Yes, fasting in the sense you should not eat food till the evening. But what they are doing, they are putting their keeping bananas in the mouth, and they wanted to eat also. See here, one by one they eyed each other uncomfortably. What they are doing, they put the bananas in their mouths. Now what happens if you put food in your mouth? Yes, you start chewing or you start swallowing, right? So they looked into each other's eyes. You can imagine within no time the bananas disappeared down their throats, and that was the end of their fast. What happened within few seconds? They ate the bananas. Means the bananas disappeared down their throats in the sense gontu. Okay. They mingeshira anamata. They ate the bananas, and that was the end of their fast. Is it a fasting now? Tell me. No, it is nothing. It is not a fasting. Fasting is not done in that way. They always felt hungry. They saw food, they brought their food, they wanted to put it in their mouth. Yes, no one can stay without eating after putting the food in the mouth. Okay. Yes, so here it is not any fasting. They did not fast at all. So this is a folk tale from Karnataka by Meera Nair. Okay, this is a story tale. It is a story. Okay, it is a story from which state? Karnataka. By who written this? Meera Nair. Okay, Meera Nair is a person who wrote this story. Okay, by this what you understood, children? Fasting is not done in that way. Okay, if you feel hungry, you should not fast. And see, if you keep food in front of you, it disturbs you. Yes or no? If they want to bring that food before itself, what happens? They would have fasted. వాళ్ళు ముందే ఈ బనానాస్ అని తెచ్చి పెట్టుకోకపోతే వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ పైన ఉండేది కాదు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్, they might have been fasting, but they already brought their food. And if we feel hungry, what happens? We can't fast. Okay. Yes, so here they wanted to fast, but it ended before fasting itself. Okay. Yes, so children, we have finished the monkeys go fasting. Did they fast? No, they did not fast, right? Yes, they ate up bananas, and that was the end of their fast. Now sit on the page, comprehension 30, page number. Now you see here, answer the following questions. Who spoke the following words and to whom? Here sentence spoken by some people. We have the sentences here. So who spoke it and to whom we have to write in this. Okay. See, first one, keep the food ready. Here we can see, here, keep the food ready. Who is telling that? Said the monkey chief. Who is telling it? Monkey chief. To whom he is telling? To rest of all the monkeys. So here we have to write monkey chief. MONKEY, monkey. CHIEF, chief. Monkey chief. Okay, monkey chief. To whom it is telling? To all the monkeys, right? To all the monkeys. MONKEYS, monkeys, to all the rest of the monkeys. Okay. Next, Yes, let's do that. See here. Yes, let's do that. Who is telling that? See. Yes, let's do that. Agreed. A fat monkey. Who is telling that? Fat monkey. So no, let's do that. Fat monkey is telling to whom? Why don't we peel one banana and keep it to ready? Said the all the youngsters. No. So it is agreeing. The fat monkey is agreeing to whom? Youngsters. So yes, let's do that. Who told it? Yes, a fat monkey. F-A-T, fat monkey. To fat monkey is telling that. To whom? To youngsters. Y-O-U-N-G S-T-E-R-S, youngsters. Okay, fat monkey is telling to youngsters. Done. See, fat monkey is telling to youngsters. Next, can I keep the banana in my mouth? Here you see, can I keep the banana in my mouth? Who is asking, can I keep the banana in my mouth? I promise to not to eat it till the evening. Who is telling it? A little monkey. To whom? To its father. Okay. So little monkey spoke that right here. Little monkey. Little monkey. To whom it is saying? To its father. Its father. Okay. Keep the food ready. Monkey chief said that line to all the monkeys. Next, yes, let's do that. Fat monkey told to youngsters. Okay. Can I keep the banana in my mouth? It is said by little monkey to its father. Yes. Do you think the monkeys can go on fast? Why not? Do you think the monkeys can go on fast? No, they can't, because they always wanted to eat something. Yes or no? They eat bananas. They brought bananas, bunches of bananas, and they wanted to eat before the starting of that fast itself. Okay, so they monkeys cannot go on fast. As we can see from the story, the monkeys peeled the bananas before eating them. Now suggest the way we eat each of the following fruits and vegetables, enact them. Now in this lesson we see peeling of bananas, right? How we eat? We peel the banana off. Ante banana tolu olchi manam tintam. Yes or no? So here he gave some examples: orange, papaya, carrot, grapes, guava, coconut. How we'll eat these? How we'll eat this? We have to write here. We have clues also. Orange. How we eat orange, children? Yes, we peel off that, right? We peel it, right? Told this some gada orange di. Yes, so here peel. Right, peel here. Peel. Peel. Here we have peel. Okay, peeling. Next, papaya. How we eat papaya? Told this sama? No. We cut it, right? Yes, cut. We cut the papaya, right? We cut the papaya and we make it into pieces and we eat. Carrot. Carrot is also, we cut the carrot. Yes, grapes. As a whole. Yes or no? Grapes manam cut cheyam. We won't cut grapes. We eat it. We directly eat it. Means as a whole, right here. As a whole. Ante mottam tinesam kada grapes. So we can't cut it. We don't cut it and eat. We directly swallow it or we directly eat it. Next, guava. Guava we cut it, right? Yes or no? Yes, we cut it. Cut. Coconut. Yes, we break it. Coconut em chustam manam pagalu kodtam. Yes, we break it. Orange we peel it off. Papaya we cut it. Carrot we cut it. Grapes as a whole we eat it. Guava we will cut. Coconut we break. Yes or no? Yes. Now it's a type of project work, children. See here. Collect the wrappers of any food items that you eat. Observe the details given on the wrapper and fill the table as shown in the example. Display the wrappers and present your work. What it is type of project work. Now we are not doing any project works, but you can try it at your home. Okay, wrappers in the sense covers. Yes or no, covers. So we have to you have to take few wrappers, what you eat, food items which you eat. Take that wrappers and see, here we have biscuit wrapper. If you take a biscuit wrapper, we get ingredients on it, backside of it. Then price, we get price of it, we can see the price of it, backside. Then date of manufacture also, date of manufacture in the sense on which day it is done, it is manufactured on which day. Then expiry date, in the expiry date in the sense up to which date we can eat it. Okay, it has some 6 months warranty, 6 months itself. After 6 months it spoils and we should not eat it. We can see after 6 months, after 1 year, after 2 years, we can see it on that item. So take more 3 wrappers and write it here. Okay, write if you take a wrapper of some, if you take a wrapper of oil in your kitchen also, your mama brings an oil packet, right? Oil, what are the ingredients present in it, you can see on it, and its price also you can see, and the date of manufacture also you can see, expiry date also you can see. Okay, see, for example, I will show you one wrapper now. Okay, see this, what is this? Ashirwad Superior MP Atta. Okay, Ashirwad Atta, Pindi. Okay, see, you have to write Ashirwad Atta here. We are getting Ashirwad Atta, right? So see, we will get Ashirwad Atta. First example I am giving you. Okay, last 2 you have to do. Ashirwad Atta. See, ingredients in the sense the things which this flour is made up of. Okay, ఇందులో ఏమేమి కలిసి ఉన్నాయి ingredients. Okay, so see here, ingredients, we in this we don't have ingredients perfectly, but here you can see nutritional information. We can get, see, if we eat it we can get energy, nutritional information. See, energy, some calories, protein, fat, carbohydrates, of which sugar, dietary fiber. Okay, these are the nutritional information. Okay, here ingredients isn't given here. Okay, we'll write about ingredients later, but see, price of it, here we have price. How many rupees? 57 rupees. How many rupees, children? Rupees 57. Okay, next, date of manufacture also it is given. See, 8th June 20 means 8th date June 6th month and 2020. Okay, next, best expiry date. Here you see best before 3 months from packing, means 3 months. Here you have to write best before 3 months. Okay, like this you have to write. You have to take some wrapper, whatever you want. Here you have nutrition information, but the ingredients isn't given here. You take some other wrappers and you can see the ingredients on it. Okay, so write it, these 2 you make it. Okay, make presentation between the other groups in the class based on the following: the items your group likes to eat the most, the costliest. This is done in the class, but you are not coming to class, so this is not necessary now. Now see, conventions of writing. You see, make necessary corrections using capital letters, comma and full stop. Rewrite the sentence. Yes, here, so first letter should be capital letter, right, children? G-O-O-D, good day. Good day in the sense, here we get, yes, comma, then pancake, then here inverted commas, then said the man. Said the man. At the end of the sentence we have to keep full stop. Okay, first capital letter and then at the end full stop. Got it? Yes, good day, pancake, said the man. Okay, so here in this you have, see children, here it is easy. How well did you understand it? Okay, how well did you understand the lesson. You can see, I listened to the story, understood and talked about it. If you understood the lesson, you have to keep yes. Okay, 50-50, in the sense you understood it halfly, then you have to tick here. If you don't understand anything, you have to keep tick here. Okay, pancake lesson we have finished. If you understood it, tick here like this. Yes, the monkeys go faster. If you understand, tick yes. Okay, yes. By this we have finished our the pancake lesson. We'll go for the next other one in the next class. Okay.